My name is Kevin J. and this is my wife, Erla. We were one of the, I guess, thousands that had problems with our septic system. Unfortunately, ours happened in the middle of January. And it was a kind of a similar type weather as we have here. We had a lot of rain, we had a lot of light snow, and our tile bed saturated. And with that, it backed up into our system, and from there it backed up into our house. Effluent and water and everything coming back into our house, and we weren't home at the time. So when we went down the basement, coming through the ceiling was this wonderful product. Things got worse because it was the middle of winter. We couldn't do anything about it. So once a month, we had to get professionals come in and pump out our system so we wouldn't have the same problem. And that continued until the ground was firm enough so we could put in a new system. We saw online that they were looking for test subjects for this product, and because we had major issues in the past, we jumped at it. Just that gave me a peace of mind, gave my wife a peace of mind that if we had a forewarning of something that might happen again, then we could take actions before the aftermath. Their system gives me a reading on my phone tells me exactly what's going on with my tile bed. I wish I had that a few years ago, because then I might have been able to do something before the actual problem. And there was so much pressure in that old system, it blew a tank. It blew my pipe going into the house. So not just the water and everything else, but the ground was affected also.
It was a huge cleanup and an expensive cleanup, and not just that, but very upsetting to know that you had that, what it would be in your house, and did I get it clean enough? And with this system, I don't know all the technicalities of it. I understand a little bit. I'm a nurse by trade, so I don't quite understand all of that, but I know that it gives me peace of mind. It gives me peace of mind to know that if there's anything going on in there, we can do something to either prevent something or drain the system at the time. And that means the world to me.
So what is it telling you now? It's telling you...
Our system is healthy. What it does, it shows on my computer or phone, it's a graph, and we have 3 ports that are being covered, and it gives me an indication of how much water is in each port. It also tells me that if one port is filling up, it will seep into the other ports because there's room. So it's not backing up into my system like my previous one. It is draining, it is working, and it gives, like I said, it gives me a peace of mind knowing that I have something monitoring 24/7.